2025 could be the most important year in the history of cryptocurrency. Not because Bitcoin exists, it's been here for over a decade, but because of what comes next. We're standing at the intersection of technology, finance, and culture. Bitcoin has just gone through its halving, Ethereum is scaling faster than ever, AI and blockchain are merging, and millions of new investors are looking for the next big thing. And here's the kicker, history shows that this next big thing often isn't Bitcoin itself. It's altcoins. The smaller, faster, more experimental projects that explode in value after Bitcoin lights the fire. So, you and I are going to explore why history says altcoin season is coming, which coins are likely to dominate 2025, how AI, gaming, and real-world tokenization are driving adoption, and the strategies smart investors are using to prepare right now. Get your coffee, open your notes, and let's dive in. To understand 2025, you need to understand the Bitcoin halving. Here's the short version. Bitcoin miners secure the network and get rewarded with new Bitcoin for each block they process. Every 210,000 blocks, roughly every 4 years, that reward is cut in half. In 2012, the reward dropped from 50 BTC to 25 BTC. 1 year later, Bitcoin was up over 8,000%. Altcoins like Litecoin and Ripple had their first big wave. In 2016, it dropped from 25 to 12.5 BTC. Within 18 months, Ethereum went from $8 to $1,400. In 2020, it went from 12.5 to 6.25 BTC. We saw the rise of DeFi, NFTs, and meme coins like Dogecoin hitting mainstream media. Now in 2024, the reward has been cut again to 3.125 BTC. This scarcity effect tends to trigger a delayed but massive price run, first in Bitcoin, and then in altcoins. Why the delay? Institutions and big investors tend to buy Bitcoin first, it's the safe crypto. Once Bitcoin runs and feels expensive, retail traders shift to altcoins looking for 10x or 100x gains. That's when the altcoin market cap can grow faster than Bitcoin's, what we call alt season. Not all altcoins are created equal. In 2025, some will die, some will explode. Let's break down 5 major categories. 1. High-performance Layer 1 chains. Solana, SOL, known for speed and low fees. After its network recovered from outages in 2022 to 23, Solana became the home of booming NFT marketplaces and microtransactions. 2025 outlook, $400 to $600 possible in a strong bull run, driven by NFT adoption and payment integrations. Toncoin, TON, the official blockchain for Telegram, with access to over 900 million users. Projects can launch inside Telegram chats with instant onboarding. 2025 outlook, $10 possible if Telegram continues integrating TON features like in-chat payments. 2. Layer 2 scaling solutions. Arbitrum, ARB, and Optimism, OP, scaling Ethereum by processing transactions off-chain. Vital for DeFi and gaming. 2025 outlook, 5x gains possible as Ethereum's congestion pushes projects to Layer 2. 3. AI plus blockchain tokens. Projects like Fetch.ai, SingularityNet, AGIX, and meme/AI hybrids like Doge.ai are trending because they ride both the AI boom and crypto hype. 2025 outlook, highly volatile but with strong viral potential. 4. Meme coins with real utility. Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Pepe spin-offs that have ecosystems, games, DeFi, or NFTs may see more than just speculative pumps. 5. DeFi blue chips. Uniswap, Uni, Aave, AAVE, long-term DeFi leaders with proven revenue models. 2025 outlook, 3x possible with a DeFi revival. There are 3 unstoppable forces shaping 2025's crypto market. 1. Institutional adoption. Bitcoin ETFs are here. Ethereum ETFs are likely coming. Pension funds, hedge funds, and public companies are buying crypto as a hedge against inflation. 2. Technological breakthroughs. AI-generated smart contracts, instant cross-chain swaps, no more complex bridging, tokenization of real-world assets, stocks, real estate, art. 3. Cultural virality. Meme coins as marketing tools, brands launching tokens as community incentives. Gamers earning real money via NFT-based assets. Content creators integrating crypto tipping. In 2025, the winning projects aren't just the cheapest or flashiest, they solve real problems. Web3 gaming. Examples: Illuvium, Star Atlas. Players truly own their in-game assets. DeFi lending. Earn yields without a bank. Collateralize crypto for instant loans. NFT 2.0. AI interactive NFTs that evolve based on market data or owner behavior. Global payments. Solana Pay, TON and Telegram, instant, borderless transactions.